If you have good mechanical aptitude, enjoy problem solving, and like working with complex machinery, you might want to go full steam ahead into a career as a power engineer. Power engineers range from entry-level operators receiving on-the-job training to highly skilled professionals, all of whom are certified to operate and maintain equipment such as boilers, turbines, and engines. To learn more about what drives this dynamic profession, we spoke with a power engineer in Alberta.
My name is Johan, and I'm a power engineer. Originally, I was born in the Netherlands. After schooling everything, I moved here to Hinton, where I'm now raising a family. Power engineers, we operate steam vessels and anything pressurized, along with the auxiliary equipment. Power engineers can also be known as steam engineers. A typical day consists of monitoring all your equipment, troubleshooting, and then talking with the shift engineers about any issues that they may have to relay to the maintenance. We need to know how to make sure we can safely shut the equipment down and then lock it out so that maintenance can work on it. Once maintenance is complete, we delock it and start it up again. Power engineers can also be in charge of heating and ventilation systems and running the boilers along with any hot water tanks. At the pulp plant here, we're in charge of making sure the boilers operate safely along with any auxiliary equipment which control emissions, the evaporators, which are also pressure vessels, and the turbines. Our valves are actually fine, it's just they were passing. The power engineers will work in control rooms where they'll have an oversight of all the equipment that's running. As well, they can troubleshoot from there and make adjustments as required. In my position, I work in the office and in the field. While the office is quiet, I interact with all the maintenance and other operators. In the field, it can be loud, but we make sure we have our protection on. Operators maintain a daily log to make sure that we record all the daily events that are happening, which are then reviewed by our bosses and managers.
When I go out to hire a power engineer, one of the first things I look for is a positive attitude, somebody that displays an eagerness to learn and want to learn, and can function both as a team member and work alone as time and conditions require. And one of the key aspects of power engineer out in the field working in the plant is troubleshooting. I mean, all the time equipment doesn't run like it should, and we need to figure out why and of course maximize our efficient operation.
Okay.
Power engineering skills are very easy to transfer across industry to industry. The only thing you have to learn different is the actual process that you're getting involved in. Most of the equipment is going to be very similar.
As a power engineer, you'll be subjected to diverse elements: smell, noise, heat. You'll be expected to work outside or indoors, as well as you may be expected to go into confined space entries to go inspect things and to figure out what can be resolved to fix it. In regards to any boilers, they're all very high up, so you'll be expected to work at heights. Some units can be 100 meters up in the air. Mostly power engineers will work 24/7. Here they work 4 on, 4 off, covering the holidays and weekends. As a power engineer, you can start off as a special boiler operator or a special oil well operator. Once a power engineer gets experience or tech school training, they'll be able to write their APSA exams to get their 5th class level power engineer certificate, and then work your way up to the 1st class.
But we test the valves individually.
Power engineer may be employed in the oil and gas industry, forest management industry, pulp plants specifically, power plants, schools, hospitals, food processing plants. They're able to work almost in any industry that they desire. Outside of work, I enjoy running as well as coaching my kids in soccer. I hope to expand on my role currently as operational maintenance coordinator and expand maybe into the chief position. If you're interested in power engineering, it's very technical, lots of hands-on experience, worthwhile and very rewarding.
Power engineers play a valuable role in a wide variety of commercial and industrial facilities. This occupation requires safety expertise, good mechanical skills, and the ability to problem-solve complex situations. Discover more about this occupation, such as educational requirements and salary ranges, in the occupational profile on the ALICE website, and learn about related occupations like gas plant operator and occupational health and safety advisor. Make the most of your future. Go to alice.alberta.ca.